Let's get into the real reason why you clicked on this video, and that is to see Miss Eisley from UniWigs. She is so cute. Her color is 527R, so they call her a sandy blonde with highlights. She is absolutely stunning. And for those who are new here, just so you know, I only film my reviews in front of the natural lighting. For her length, she is 16 inches in length and 130% in density. So she is definitely on the lower scale of density, which I personally love. I love a low density wig because I feel like it makes the wig look a little bit more natural. Okay, let's talk about this cap construction because it is quite literally genius. So this is their new PureFit lace cap. So what we have here, we have a lace top from ear to ear, but we have ear tabs. So this is a glueless wig, perfect for beginners, perfect for someone who wants an easy to throw on wig. You can literally get hair in seconds with this cap construction. So we have all of this lace, so you can part it wherever you'd like. I believe it comes with the middle part, but you can always train it to go on the side. And then we have our ear tabs that also has some clips. But just note that if you are a baldy like me, you can always remove these. They're super easy to remove. And on the side, we have this nice comfy material with silicone lining for extra grip. And then at the top, we have this like almost like velvet material, which is also so comfy. And not only do we have our adjustment straps at the back nape, we also have another adjustment band right here. So you can actually tighten the cap construction to fit your head even better than the back nape, which is amazing. So I feel like for me, since this wig is a little bit too big, I can actually make it to fit my head almost perfectly. Of course, it won't be perfect because of the circumference, but it will be very close to perfect. And we also have some combs throughout, or maybe just one comb. We have one comb, but you can easily remove it if you so do please. So without further ado, let's throw on Miss Eisley. Let me show you how easy she is. Oh, I also forgot to mention she is human hair, Remy human hair. She is very silky smooth, really great quality hair. Color is absolutely stunning. The length is stunning. Another thing that I would do to make it look realistic, and I say this in all of my videos, is I would add in some face framing layers. I'm wearing the cap construction more. One, it is so comfortable. Two, it actually doesn't feel big on my head. Normally, like medium cap sizes, there's like extra wefting at the back, but for this one, it actually fits my head. So if you're a small headed queen, this size actually fits because I think it is because of that added adjustment strap in the middle. It really like, you know, kind of like a vacuum seal. This wig is not only comfortable, it's also like very secure. This wig is not going anywhere, so you don't have to worry about that. Again, easy to throw on. Bam, 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 bam. Ready in seconds. And now please cut the lace when you receive it. Bam. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Miss Eisley is incredible. I love her. She has got to be one of my favorite wigs thus far that I have tried by UniWigs. She's just simply gorgeous. Like the perfect wig for spring. Like, I'm obsessed with her. I'm obsessed with her. I love her so much. She is silky smooth. You can have fun with her. You can curl her. You can straighten her. You can put hot rollers in her. You know, she's human hair, so have fun. But use that heat protectant. Please use that heat protectant. You want the wig to last as long as possible because obviously hair is an investment. But Miss Eisley is stunning. Like, seriously gorgeous. Because for back nape, you can't put her into a high pony. Well, even because of her length, you can't put into a high pony. But you can put her into a low to mid pony. You can just have fun. Play around with it. And that is the fun about wigs. But anyways, that is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.